Today's Easter 2026. Today was very interesting because I seen something that I haven't seen probably ever in my life. And that was people's reaction to when a complete stranger is unexpectedly from when they receive a small plastic egg on Easter when they're just expecting food or drinks from a fast food restaurant. The surprise, the kindness in these people's reactions were priceless. And it showed me something. It showed me a sensitive part of human beings, all kinds of human beings, not just one specific kind that are in a specific environment, but different color, age. Wow. You know, I've pretty much just thought that everyone was, full of hate or full of pain or just whatever. Maybe they were, maybe they are. But that unexpected surprise of something that is so small really does a lot for somebody, and what if we could do that every day? What if, just smiling or giving somebody a compliment who you don't even know at a random ass unexpected place, or opening the door for somebody and to have a good day, like just little bitty things like the size of a freaking plastic Easter egg, and there's only coupons in there. They don't even know what's in there. It was just the fact that it was a surprise. And it was something that was kind. It was gifted. It was amazing. So it gave me hope. It gave me hope that I shouldn't be cold and shut down and shut off to humans, because not everyone's going to benefit from that. And that did me something today.